Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to add a Google Sheet shortcuts on your home screen by iOS or iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is go find out the Google Sheet application on your phone. You just need to slide your home screen into the left side until you find this app library, and after that you just need to tap in the search button here, Google Sheet, or simply type Sheets. And after you found this, now you just need to go click. This application will have a little bit movement, and after that you just need to go place where do you want to put the shortcuts in. Whenever it's done, now you just need to go click this done button on the upper right corner, and now you already have the shortcuts for the Google Sheet itself. And now the shortcuts that you will got for after put the Google Sheet application on your home screen is just click and hold the application, and there will be pop up several options that you can choose here. There will be like several documents that pop up on your screen, and you just need to go click which documents that you want to visit. So that's the way how to add the shortcuts of Google Sheets document on home screen by iOS or iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.